Good morning, everybody. It is Jenn and Kanata, and today is Sunday, January 19th of low spend month. And this morning, um, I got up and I thought everybody else would be sleeping. So I made coffee. I haven't even had the coffee, and hubby woke up, and he's hungry, and Abby woke up. So we're going to have Oktoberfest sausages, as I gave him some options of what was in the fridge. That's what we're having for breakfast, or first breakfast, because then we'll have probably soup for lunch, the leftover hot and sour soup from yesterday, or any other leftovers that people want. So since the Oktoberfest sausages are already cooked, they just need to be heated thoroughly so that I can put them in the sausage buns that I got at my grocery haul 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks ago, for $2. Here is the leftover hot and sour soup that we had for lunch. Hey everybody, it's Jen Kanata. So Sundays we tend to go to my in-laws for supper. And at my in-laws we do supper. So I don't have video footage of what we ate, but it was definitely yummy, and we had flattened chicken. There was one chicken that was Italian spiced, one was coconut lime, and then some shake and bake drumsticks. Then my mother-in-law made her potato salad, which is like amazing. It's like best potato salad. My only complaint is I always have to add a little bit of pepper to it because I find it needs a little bit of pepper. Everything else is seasoned great. And then there was store-bought coleslaw and macaroni salad, as well as my sister-in-law made fresh bread, like an artisan roll of bread. So that is what we had for supper. And there was just enough leftovers that my mother-in-law could have it for two more meals. She wasn't too sure if there would be enough chicken with two chickens and the drum, and so that's why she made the drumsticks. Plus, wasn't too sure about, like, I think she was concerned about the coconut lime one because that's kind of outside of her flavor profile wheelhouse. But it was good. I found that I had a piece of the coconut lime one. It actually, like, the skin was nice and crispy, but there wasn't really much flavor on the skin. There was some flavor of lime and coconut inside, like the chicken, because they take out the major bones and then just leave the wing and the drumstick. Um, so that was nice, and very juicy. So we had that, and then we came home and we went to bed at like 8 o'clock, 8:40. So we got home. We usually leave about 8, and we got home and we were exhausted, and everybody went to bed by 8:40. So that is what we had on Sunday. Um, just I let you know, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye, friends.